Oh, they come apart. Oh, so you can put the speaker somewhere and then press. Oh, that's genius. Okay, this changes everything. Ages 3 and up. I don't know. This one picture of that butt seems a little. Anyway, it's a soundboard with preset sounds, images, so you know exactly what the sounds do. I'm gonna have another video where I'm gonna go through every single sound that we can hear what they all sound like.
Game over.
And what's really interesting is it's got 2 USB, like, I guess there's a battery for this part and a battery for that part. So it's like magnet. The possibilities of this are endless.